This the label. They hit me up about the BTS. My nigga Rat like, yeah, the BTS niggas, bruh, they supposed to be dropping, they supposed to be selling 500,000, then they gonna sell 200,000, then they gonna sell 300,000. I'm like, God, these niggas, bruh. Nigga trying to fuck up my little shine. Nigga, I don't even be dropping like that. Let me get my little shine on for a week. Then J. Cole, he telling niggas faking their streams in the machines. Well, nigga, what was the machine called? Shit, everybody ain't got it like J. Cole. Yeah, so J. Cole, what was the machine called that niggas is using for their fake stream? Because I want to borrow that motherfucker. I'm trying to borrow. Let me see something right quick. You feel me?
Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over Spotify. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my channel, I wanted to bring y'all the truth about Spotify music promotion, paid music promotion, paying to get on Spotify playlists, paying for Spotify streams, the current climate as of 2021. I just want to give y'all the real raw truth on this video. Now, as y'all know, recently I've been promoting the Spotify method. Now, for years, I've been on my YouTube channel teaching independent artists financial literacy, teaching independent artists how to monetize their music, you know, from platforms like SoundCloud, Apple Music, Spotify, how to upload your music, how to sell your music online. The thing about Spotify is they have always frowned against paid promotion. Spotify has always frowned against paying to get on playlists. They frowned against buying Spotify streams, but this has always been going on. Like ever since 2016, artists have been buying Spotify streams. They have been paying to get on playlists. All of this is to earn more money as an independent artist, because when you do more research, even though Spotify frowns upon paying to get on playlists, right? The biggest Spotify playlist, Rap Caviar, right? Let me look this up. Rap Caviar, the biggest Spotify playlist ever. This Spotify playlist, you have to be on a major label to get on this playlist. You cannot be an independent artist and get on this playlist because it is owned by the major labels, right? It's owned by the big three major labels. And artists knowing this created their own services. It was many different playlist services that popped up, many different websites where you could buy Spotify streams. All of this popped up over the years, right? And even Sony, even the big record labels participated in this, right? This fake artist game where you're sending billions of streams to different artists, right? All for royalties. Because the thing about Spotify streams is it's not like an Instagram like, it's not like an Instagram follower. Like when you get Spotify streams, you get money for that. So a lot of people figure this out, and even if you read this article, a lot of the fake artists that's listed on here that, you know, is claimed to have all of these billions of streams, they still up on Spotify to this day. You have to have a mix between organic growth, organic, you know, promotion. You just naturally getting people without having to pay for it. You just naturally attract people to your brand, your product, your music. You naturally get people through your own organic means. That's organic promotion, when you don't have to pay for it, right? Anytime you have to pay for anything, whether it's a shout out, whether it's a playlist placement, whether it's streams, that is paid promotion. But I wouldn't recommend, you know, a newer artist, if you don't have a following, you know, just to run up hundreds of thousands of streams. You know, it could potentially get your song flagged. You know, a lot of people still doing this and they not getting flagged. So it's different. Like your marketing, like I can't give everybody a set route to take because everybody's situation is unique and everybody's situation is different. If you continue with using paid promotion, whether that's using the Spotify method or buying playlist promotion, you know, playlist placement, right? If you continue to do that, I recommend you mixing some type of organic means, you know, where you can naturally drive people, you know, real fans that fuck with you, you know, not people that you paying for. Anytime you gotta pay for it, it's not real. You want people to fuck with you just off of you. You know, like how I make this YouTube video. When I make my YouTube videos, I don't pay nobody to go watch my videos. Like, y'all watch these videos on your own. Y'all find me and y'all discover me on your own. So I'm just letting y'all know, you are responsible. Moving forward, you know, knowing everything that's going on, knowing that, you know, Spotify is becoming more strict on paid promotion. I'm just giving y'all everything up front. I won't be promoting the Spotify method as much just due to the current climate. So if y'all have any questions, y'all can always email me. Right now, I'm focusing on Bitcoin. I'm about to start revealing the Bitcoin method and how to earn 1% daily, you know, from whatever you deposit on Bitcoin. I'm about to start teaching this method on my channel. So, you know, just be prepared for this. This is the wave. You know, I've been teaching y'all how to go on free Bitcoin and come on here and roll and get some free Bitcoin every day. But this is the wave, man. Bitcoin about to go to 100K faster. It's about to go faster than we think. I think it's going to happen by June, you know, June of this year. So this is what we on now. But yeah, that's the whole update on paid promotion, the Spotify method. You have to understand that it's a risk. You have to understand that you are responsible for your content. You are responsible for your marketing budget. You are responsible for your strategy. Y'all have any questions, you know, feel free to email me. But that's the current state of music promotion. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe.